Welcome back, everyone. So today we are reviewing a 12-in-1 multi-port hub. So you got input is Type-C interface, and for output, Type-C, 4K at 30H HDMI output, 2, SDTF card reader, LAN RJ45 interface, 3.5mm audio interface, USB 3.0 interface, 2 USB 2.0 interface, PD charging interface with 100 watts of PD charge, VGA interface, operating voltage is 5 to 20 volts, working current is 450 to 2550 mA, material aluminum. Alright, let's get started. Let's show you guys what it looks like and then we're going to test it out. So they do supply you with a manual as well. So this is a Type-C port, so you do need a Type-C on your computer or whatever device you're using this with. So it is heavy duty. Overall, very nice. You got your different ports, full ports all over. And again, it is aluminum. So the base, everything is aluminum. Very stylish, very nice. So if you need it for a TF card, SD card, HDMI, your PD, you got 2 HDMI ports, 1 PD, 1 TF, 1 SD. You got a Type-C on the other side. You got 2 USB 3.0 ports, 1 USB 2.0, and a headphone jack. Overall, very nice. And definitely have manual to tell you different features on it.